Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create easy, effortless, beachy, bouncy soft waves with zero damage. So this is a great way if you're trying to repair the health of your hair or trying to get your hair a little bit stronger or thicker. So we're eliminating a lot of the curling irons, the straighteners, and we're making this a very easy, effortless way that you can get that beautiful, bouncy, trendy, beachy wave look. My entire life, I have learned that you always want what you don't have. I always wanted the perfect straight hair, and my friends with the perfect straight fine hair always wanted the crazy wild curls. So really what it comes down to is just making sure that you accept your own natural hair type and embrace that. That's really going to be the best way that you can keep your hair healthy and look beautiful naturally without trying so hard and spending so much time to change your entire look. It's okay to switch up your look here and there, but I also think it's important that you embrace your natural beauty and enhance that the best way possible. So those of you that are dealing with rogue, wild, naturally curls, this video is especially for you because I've been there and I have found the products and the techniques that really make sure that your hair is healthy and not wild, frizzy, but beautiful natural curls. The first tip that I want to make is to make sure that you look through your products, whether that is your shampoo, your conditioner, or any serums that you're using, and make sure that they don't have sulfates or parabens in these products because that's only going to make your frizz worse. And it's also going to prevent your hair from being the healthiest that it can be. So the products that I'm recommending today, I'm going to put links below for you, but these are products that I love because they have really transformed my hair, especially that I have super dry hair. It really helps to keep my hair healthy and beautiful. The first tip that I want to recommend is not shampooing your hair every day. I literally can shampoo my hair maybe once or twice a week. In between that, if I am doing my hair curly and I'm getting it wet every day in the shower, the only thing that I do is I will put a conditioning treatment. And most recently I've been using Superfood by Pureology, and I will put just a little bit of this, about a quarter size amount, and just rub that through the ends of my hair. And then I will take a detangling brush. I have the one by MintPear. I will take a detangling brush and I will brush through my hair in the shower while I have the conditioning treatment on. And the reason why I do that is because you never want to brush your hair. If you have naturally curly hair, you never want to brush your hair after you get out of the shower. So once you're out of the shower, if you're doing your hair curly, do not brush your hair. So I do that in the shower. That makes sure that I get the product well distributed. I get all the snarls out. I make sure that my hair is nice and clean, and then I will just rinse. Now the next thing you want to do is before you finish your shower, you want to give your hair a nice shot of cold water. And what that's going to do is it's going to close the cuticle of your hair, which is going to help with the frizz. The next step is you want to make sure that when you are putting your hair into a towel that you're not rubbing your hair with the towel or, taking out the excess product with the towel. Just gently wrap your hair in a towel and leave it until you're ready to handle with product. Now we're moving on to the products, and I'm going to show you how I put those into my hair because this is the step that I'm at right now, and I want to show you the products that I'm using to create this look. Okay, so I'm going to take my hair down. As you can see, I have not brushed my hair or combed my hair, so this is literally coming straight from the shower in the towel. And now I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to put in my hair. So the first product is a style product. This is a hydrate product for air drying your hair. It's perfect for naturally curly hair. It's just going to really help your hair stay controlled, frizz-free, and hydrated. The key to having beautiful curls is hydration. So when your hair is dry, it's going to look more frizzy. So keeping products that are actually conditioning and hydrating your hair are key. The Hydrate Air Dry Cream is a heat and hassle-free styler that controls, enhances body, and perfects texture while keeping your hair soft and hydrated. Now what I like to do is create a little concoction of products and then mix them together so they're well distributed. So I'm going to add the other products onto my hand and show you what I'm using. The next product is Shine Max, which is also a nice serum that's going to help the shine. This adds shine and smooths flyaways with Hydrate Shine Max Shining Hair Smoother. This is alcohol free. I love this product. I use this product whether I'm doing my hair curly or straight. A new product that I have recently discovered works super well with my hair is by It's a 10. This is the Miracle Oil. I'm going to add a few drops into my concoction here and distribute into my hair. So the next step is taking the Conair Wavy Curls. This is not a sponsored video. I literally just saw these at Target and I thought it would be a great idea to make a tutorial to show you how to use these to get that beautiful, healthy, natural wave without any heat tools. Conair has everything you need for beautiful hair. The Comfy Curls Soft Curl Rollers are perfect for night sets as they are soft and bendable with no hard plastic parts to keep you awake. Wake up refreshed with the natural looking loopy curls without a dent or crease in sight. Curlers can be used on damp or dry hair. I'm gonna open these. They're basically just little foam cloth with Velcro ends that will hook. And so I'm gonna show you how to put these into your hair. So first step you want to take is you want to create a part, because your hair is going to dry, obviously, in these rollers. So the part that you have is going to be the part that you get. I always do like a little dip part right here so that I get a nice swoopy bang. So basically, the direction that you roll your hair around these is going to be the direction that your hair dries and the way that your wave will set. So I'm going to show you that I personally prefer to take my curls and move them away from my face. And since I only have 8 of these, I'm going to divide my hair in half and I'm going to do 4. I'm going to take this first section right here. The bigger the section, the bigger the wave. I'm going to take this and start at the end. Make sure the ends are wrapped in there, and I'm just going to roll it all the way up. And I'm going to clip it together. And then I'm just going to spread it. Okay, so there's the first one. You can see that. Okay, and now basically it's just the waiting process. So these are going to air dry. Now if I am in a rush for any reason, I will take my hair dryer, but I will put the diffuser extension to air dry so that I don't have any concentrated heat blowing in one direction. This will really distribute the heat so that I don't get major frizz, because when I'm drying my hair without this attachment, it will just basically cause a big mess and everything will be frizzy. As I mentioned, I can also go to sleep in these. They're very comfortable, they're very soft. So all I would do is I would take a scarf and I would tie this over around my head so that they would not fall out. And that would really keep my hair from also getting a lot of frizz as I toss and turn throughout the night. So I am going to wait for these to dry and I will be right back. And we are back. So it's been a little over 3 hours. Ideally for my hair, because it's so thick, I have so much hair, I recommend sleeping in these because then you don't have to worry about them being damp when you're going to take them out. But for demonstration purposes, I am going to take them out and show you at least a gist of what they're supposed to look like. I'm just going to wrap my finger around them like so. So as you can see, I got some nice ringlets through here, and these are a little damp, but they are pretty dry. Okay, so now that I have the rollers out, I want to show you what I'm going to do. So to give my roots a little bit of a boost here, I will use something like the Chlorine dry shampoo, and this will really help to boost my roots and create some texture here to really volumize this part of my hair, since, you know, when you're sleeping on these you might get some weird kinks going on, but that will really help. What I'm going to do is just take my fingers and I'm just going to finger comb my hair and just kind of shake out these curls all the way. And then I will just take my finger and wrap around individual to kind of create some separation. And then what I want to do is I have the Unite gloss spray, and this is just going to gloss in seconds. It just creates a beautiful shine over my entire hair. This is not a hairspray. I haven't really checked what it looks like in the back, but I'm just going to give you guys a little shot of the curls in the back. And this is the final and completed look. Isn't this so adorable? This is completely heat free. So total air dried, natural, healthy curls, something that you can do every single day of the week if you want. It's so easy. Just take your shower in the evening, put these in before you go to bed, and you wake up with beautiful, healthy hair. This is a great way for you to repair your hair's health and also to strengthen and to increase the thickness of your hair. If you're trying to get thick hair, I recommend not shampooing every day, like I said, and not using hot tools like a hair dryer or a straightener or a curling iron. These things are only going to be destructive when it comes to the health of your hair, so doing things that you can do like this that are air dried are obviously the best option for your hair's health. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for your support and for subscribing to my channel. Also, when you hit that notification bell, you are notified when my new videos are live, and you will be one of the first to know that they are released to my audience. So thank you so much for being a part of the family, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.